Hey everybody, welcome back. Janine, hi. Going handheld here, trying to hold it steadier. Right beneath the bald eagle. Ifani, nice to see you here. So I've been watching several bald eagles here, right along Highway 2. The highway is just on the other side of these bushes. I'm in Snohomish. I'm going handheld without the gimbal, but this one's been really talkative. Hey, Kit. So I'm going to try and take some shots simultaneously. Okay, I'm going to zoom in again. Bloody heck. You can hear the sound of the highway traffic just on the other side here. Sorry for the shoddy camera work while I was taking pictures with my other camera. So this is in Snohomish, Washington. I'm right alongside of a dairy, and Highway 2 is just on the other side here. So that's why you're hearing the traffic. Watching from the UK, wonderful. Another UK viewer, that's so cool. 24 hours ago, we didn't have any snow, but that all changed overnight. Watching in Miami. Wow, how cool. So this is one of at least 3 bald eagles here at the dairy that I've been watching. This is in addition to 3 other bald eagles I didn't show to my previous scope earlier today along the Snohomish River. I watched one of the birds dive here. It's the second time I've watched a bald eagle dive today. The earlier one was at the Snohomish River. It dove right toward waterfowl, some ducks, and actually some gulls from British Columbia. Right on, Janine. This one seems poised to do something, and there it did. It did its business. Guess he feels good about it, or she. That's a postcard. I'm sorry, I'm shooting with my DSLR too, and I'm handheld today. Hey, Kit, so good to see you. I think you were on just a moment ago and jumped back on. You know, after the earlier scope today, I followed these 2 bald eagles along the river. Yeah, he or she's probably watching me, no doubt. And this one just kept on doing dives repeatedly towards the river. It was acting like a juvenile practicing, but it seemed to be a full adult. They get their fully bald heads at 5 years of age. Many of you know that. I'll tell you what, I think what I'm going to do is put this phone down on the ground. It's on a little tripod so that I think this thing this bird might fly off soon, and I want to get shots with my DSLR as it launches. So I'm going to continue to provide a live picture. You won't be able to hear me very well, but feel free to talk amongst yourselves. And I'm going to put you on, I've got you on a little Rode microphone tripod. So just a moment, please. I'm going to adjust your shot. It's going to be hard if I zoom in to keep that in the shot because I can't bend it back far enough. Okay. Just going to hold that shot there for you right now. If you're most welcome to continue to watch. I think it'll probably fly off soon, but I want to catch it with my DSLR. You're welcome. The eagles have been really active that I've observed today, 6 of them now, 2 groups of 3, and they don't tend to stay put for a very long time. I think we're preparing for a freeze event now. We're getting some melting, but it's going to get cold tonight here, definitely below freezing, so it's going to be an interesting week. According to my weather app, for what it's worth on my iPhone, we've got more snow coming, well, a 40% chance of snow to begin with at 8 o'clock tonight. And it shows snow every hour until 2 o'clock tomorrow afternoon, which is the furthest I can see ahead on that app. Looks like we have 155 people watching. Thank you guys so much. I could get a bird's eye view. Michelle 20034, welcome to your first day on Periscope. in my hands, it's so shaky. I'm sorry, you guys. I hope it is not as shaky as that on the actual stream. I don't know how well the image stabilization's working when I zoom in that tightly. I'm gonna go over here so this car can pass. Come on. Guys wondering what I'm staring at, approaching truck. Thanks, Bo's mom. It's should have brought my gimbal up, but then again, I'd have to have the umbrella to protect it from water. I'm gonna widen out a little bit, you guys, so I can have my DSLR get some more shots here. What's bizarre is I'm hearing the cows behind me and down below, and they're not really that far away. Hey, Deb. Deb, or Bo's mom, I'm right along Highway 2. Let's see if I can show you some traffic. I'm just beneath it. That's why you're hearing it. In Snohomish. It sure is a wintry shot. No, I think it's looking at me. I'll tell you what, guys, I am going to wrap it up for now because I don't know how long it's going to stay put, but I'm going to stay put and be poised to take some shots as it launches into the sky. Assuming I nail that, I'll share that on social at Beyond 90 Seconds, on Twitter, just like I am here. Mark Horner Photos on Instagram. That's Mark Horner, Horner, Photos, just like it sounds. And Facebook is Mark Horner Media. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll zoom in for one more close one here. Try to hold it still. I mean, I guess I could put the tripod down again, but that was such a long shot. I don't want to bore you. Although I guess there are those who like to watch eagles from afar. I'm going to risk turning my back for just a moment and show you. Cheers. Watching at the vet office. Right on, Tom. No snow in the UK yet. Yeah, how is Bella? You can see traffic here in just a moment. That's Highway 2 right there, which is a pretty busy highway, but there's a big buffer between me and it right now. And between me and it, bald eagle. How about that? Okay, guys, I'll let you go. Thank you so much. And I'll be, like I said, if I get the shot, I'll share it. I've got some other really nice shots from other eagles earlier today, which I will be sharing on social media. I want to thank you all very much for following me along on the journeys today. If you've been doing so, if this is the kind of content that you happen to like, feel free to subscribe. Take care. Have a great day, great evening, wherever you might be, and stay safe. Goodbye, everybody. You're welcome, Bozeman.